Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So we're finally in December, which means that it's officially appropriate to start celebrating Christmas. I've been celebrating Christmas since November 1st. So I decided that today, and specifically this month, I will dedicate all my videos to some sort of Christmas-esque theme. So to start off, I just brought you guys this candy cane liner tutorial just to, you know, set the mood, get us all in that Christmas spirit, because if you don't have it by now, I'm judging you. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then continue watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post, because let's face it, you're here, you're gonna keep coming back, might as well subscribe and be notified, right? So yeah, let's get into the video. So I know I look a little crazy right now, but I wanted more attention to be on the eyes than the face, so I did my face off camera, and we're just gonna start off with the eyes. So I'm gonna outline where I want my crease to be, or where my crease is, with some liquid lipstick, a red liquid lipstick. I'm using Stunna lip paint by Fenty Beauty. And so I'm gonna go in with this angled brush. I'm going to take it as it already is and blend it out. We're just gonna go back and retrace that red line because we kind of lost it just a little bit, like right here. Now I'm gonna carve it out. When it's wet, you can see the difference between the, like where I blended it out and where the line starts. But once it dries, it kind of all looks like one color. I mean, because it essentially is one color. So I'm just gonna go using Zohra from the Saharan 2 palette. I'm just gonna use that to darken up the line. You wanna use a brush that's gonna fit in the crease and not that's too fluffy that it's gonna go outside of the crease. So that's why I'm using this really dense brush. Yeah, so now I'm going to use the white liner by NYX, and I'm going to do an eyeliner. What am I trying to do? Well, the thing about this is that it's very, like, it cracks a lot. That's the one thing I hate about this. But I'm gonna start on your wing. And if you get some on your eyelash, you want to clean that right away because it does dry. So once you dry your lashes, it's going to be really hard to take off. So now that that's done, I'm going to go back in with the red liquid lipstick, and I'm going to start to make the stripes on the candy cane. His actual candy canes, their stripes are like, some are thin stripes and then some are like thicker. So go crazy, they don't have to be even, and I think it takes more time if you try to make them all even. I made a mistake somewhere, oh, right there. I'm just gonna clean it up. So I'm gonna do el otro ojo, and I'll be right back. So now for lashes, I'm gonna go in with something a little less because we don't want to take away from what's going on at the eyes. So I'm just using Viso Free lashes in the style I think these are D20. These are really affordable lashes. If you haven't already, you should check out my affordable lash haul. I'll leave it in the cue card right here. So yeah. Ooh, so yes, this is how we're looking. As I said, like, it's a little bit of but without kind of overpowering the overall look. And just because, you know, the look is very red and white, which is, that's how candy canes are, but it's Christmas, we need some green. So I'm going with this glitter that I think I got this from Boohoo. I don't know where I got it, and I don't know the shade name. I'll probably leave it in the description box. But yeah, it's this right here, and it has like gold and green glitter, and then there's some like silver or clear in there too. So I'm gonna go with the same shade that we used earlier to help blend out the eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna add my Makeup Revolution highlighter drops. Oh my god. This is really red, so I'm kind of scared because I don't want the look to be that red, but it's the only red lipstick that I have within reach. Too lazy to get another one, so yeah. Yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. You know, oh my god, that highlight is so blinding. So if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and look out for more Christmas inspired, you know, Christmas themed videos, because I'm here for it. You know, besides Halloween, I think Christmas is like my next favorite holiday. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.